All right, today we're working on a little project for the wife and got some Power Pro roofing screws. These are metal to wood, 1.5 inch number 10s. I've already started a couple of these, but I just wanted to show y'all. These things are pretty sharp, and I have no problem going through this R panel roofing material. So I just wanted to show you. Things pretty much just go through like nothing. Pretty effortlessly. If you're working on a roof or something steep, it's important to have a sharp screw, and these things are doing really good. So I'm very happy with them, and I would highly recommend them. Be a good, safe choice.